Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new generation of Haulotte diesel scissors, the Compact DX. As you are now going to see, these new scissors offer the most outstanding rough terrain capacities on the market, the best stability, the best productivity in terms of working height, and the best comfort for easy and smooth operation with full proportional controls. First of all, a short reminder about these new machines. These are rough terrain diesel scissors. They are four-wheel drive, making them suitable for rough terrain. Their working heights are 10.15 meters and 12.15 meters, the best in their class. Their weight capacities range from 450 kilograms to 565 kilograms, depending on the model. This new machine has been designed for maximum stability. The improvements include a more solid and compact chassis, outriggers positioned within the machine footprint for better protection and durability. The quality of the hood cover closure has also been improved to ensure better strength and durability. The engine cover fits perfectly and is reinforced by a longer hinge, making it more durable and easy to close. Now, let's have a look at the engine of this new scissor. It's a new Kubota engine, which complies with Tier 4 legislation. This makes a significant reduction to noise levels and vibrations. It also reduces engine emissions and consumption by 5% compared with the existing machine. With this engine, the performance of the machines is maintained, including its outstanding rough terrain capabilities. Best-in-class gradability of 40%, ground clearance of 27 centimeters, permanent hydraulic differential lock. For easy maintenance, we improve the accessibility to the engine components with a wide opening and a new top engine trapdoor. Access to the fuel tank is now easier. Now, look carefully at the new hydraulic system. This enhances the machine's performance. Hydraulic drive autonomy has been improved by 50%. Speed proportionality control has also been improved for enhanced comfort. Finally, the new Compact DX can reach its maximum working height in 35 seconds for the 10 meter and in 40 seconds for the 12 meter. A built-in diagnostic tool has been added to the lower control box, allowing faster servicing and repair. Now, let's go up into the platform. As you can see, the new Compact DX has better accessibility. The bumper and design of the first step make it much easier to access the platform. You can also easily expand the platform extension, which is 1.2 meters long. The platform measures 3.17 meters in length and 1.80 meters in width. The new upper control box has undergone a new paint treatment, making it longer lasting, lifetime 4 times longer. The ergonomics have been improved to make operation easier, with a new joystick, new switches, push buttons, and indicator lights. For more comfort, this machine integrates a function to deploy and retract 4 outriggers at the same time with automatic leveling. This function is standard on this new scissor. That's exclusive to Haulotte. In working conditions, the stickers on the upper control box can suffer a lot of wear and tear. Now, they're much easier to change and can be replaced without dismantling the joystick, switches, and push buttons. The new upper control box connection is also more durable, more reliable, and easier to connect and disconnect on a daily basis. New options include a 3.5 kilowatt hydraulic generator, foldable guardrails, a swing door entry gate,